Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to your channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So for those that have been following me on Instagram, you guys will know that we recently picked up something new for the channel, and just to be transparent with you guys, we did pick up a new vehicle. But enough talking, let me just go ahead and show you guys what that is. Alright, so for those that are wondering, that is a 2016 Porsche Macan S with a V6 turbo. And for those that do care, I will put the specs down in the description below. And before you guys do make any assumptions, I just want to say that we still have all the cars here. We still have the XT, the 86, and 960Z. We did pick up this vehicle just to be another daily for the channel, but moving forward, we will be making content on this vehicle as well. So definitely let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see us do to the Macan. And that's pretty much it for this really quick video. Just wanted to update you guys on a few things about the channel. So hopefully you guys did enjoy it, just really quick and simple. But as always, if you guys want to see what happens next to the XT, the 986, the 86, the Z, the 50, or the Macan, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Almost forgot, but before this video ends, let me go and show you guys how this car sounds.